Hey you, and welcome to this video where we'll help you out how to change your Apple account primary email address on your iPhone or iPad. And for this we go to settings and then right here click on your own name, and then from here click on sign in and security. Then right here you see here two email addresses, and right now if I go to one of this email address and I click here on primary email, make primary, we just make this email primary. Now then also he says start security delay. Now we can do this, then we do done, and this is exactly how you can make another email address primary. But now if you go back and you don't have two email addresses right here, you can add email or phone number and then click here on existing email address, fill in the email address, then do continue, and then after that you can make that email address primary. So this is exactly how this works. Hopefully this video helped you out, and then from now, thanks for watching.